Hello, in this lesson you will learn how to compare quotations. After the quotation received from the vendors, then the purchasing user decide on the vendor with the lowest price. And also there might be other factors that the purchasing user considers, such as delivery date or other reasons as well. So let's begin by navigating the SAP menu here and go to logistics first. Then go to materials management, click on purchasing, then click on RFQ/quotation, then go to quotation, transaction ME49 price comparison. This transaction will be used here for this lesson to compare prices. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction to start the initial screen price comparison. Please keep in mind that the price comparison will be carried out by looking into more than one quotation, and this comparison is done by more than one selection criteria, such as the purchasing organization, the vendor, the material, or collective RFQ number. The collective number is when sending more than one RFQ to different vendors. Other criteria on the screen, we have the reference quotation and we have the price calculation. Reference quotation, this is the quotation that all suppliers are compared to. So if no reference quotation is entered, then the quotations that were submitted by the vendors are compared against each other. The mean value quotation, so if this box is set, then the comparisons are made against the average price of the quotations. The minimum value quotation, and again if this box is set or the indicator is set, then the comparisons are made against the lowest price. Percentage basis usually allows the purchasing user to specify which value will be used as the 100% basis. So this can be the mean price, the maximum price, or the minimum price. Let's go ahead and click on the search icon so you will know exactly what I'm talking about. The mean value equals 100% is blank, plus maximum value equals 100%, and minus minimum value equals 100%. So we're gonna leave it as blank for now. Other criteria under price calculations, we have include discounts. So if this indicator is set, the quotation comparison will include any price discounts that the vendor has submitted. So if the indicator is not set, then the discount will not be used in the comparison. Include delivery costs. If you remember from the previous lesson, I did include the freight cost for all quotations. So let's go ahead and click on the include delivery cost. So if this indicator is set, then the delivery cost will be included in the price on the quotation, and that means it will be used in the quotation comparison. So delivery cost can include the freight cost, other procurement costs such as insurance, handling, packing, and so on and so forth. Determine effective price. This indicator, if it's set, that means the discount and the delivery cost are used in the price comparison. Let's click in the purchasing organization and enter 3000. In the quotation number, we're gonna use the quotation number that ends with 1116, and let's go ahead and click on the multiple selection icon, the single value selection option we have here to add more than one quotation. Let's go ahead and add another quotation that ends with 1117. I could also add other quotations as well, and then go ahead and click on the execute to confirm. For this lesson, I'm gonna just exclude this one, so I go back here on this icon and just say delete selection row selection. So I end up with two quotations here. I'm gonna now execute to confirm those two quotations, and go ahead and click on the execute again. Keep in mind that the price comparison is indicating to the customer or the client the best price for the material, but that might be not the reason that the user takes into consideration. So selecting vendors based only on price might be not the good idea or smart idea in certain material for certain or particular material or certain projects. So bids should be awarded based on more than one factor, such as price, delivery, quality, and other factors as well. The price comparison list for the two vendors, as shown on this screen, you have vendor 1 and vendor 2. Obviously vendor 1 was ranked number 1 for the price. You could also select the vendor and click on the quotation icon to see the quotation, the line item. Click on the line item, you have the details, you have 200. And you want to see the condition, click on that, you see the freight cost, it's $40. That's already included in the price. After you have completed the price comparison, you could go ahead and save your work. You have just successfully concluded this lesson. Let's go ahead and click on the back icon. Click on the back icon, or could click on the exit icon to go back to the SAP main menu. You have just learned how to compare the quotation that were received or submitted by the vendors using transaction ME49. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, you could go back and review material one more time.